One thing that Jay and I have decided for 2024 is that we're going to be more professional in our videos. Find out about that and more in today's YouTube video. Hi there guys, Sean here from 5 Star Marine with Jay!
Hello, I'm Jay, and that was Sean doing the, what did you call it, the pre-roll?
Yes!
Sean's coming up with some technical terms. Happy 2024, everybody!
Jay bought me a book about YouTube for my Christmas and New Year present, so thank you very much for that present, Jay.
Didn't I just? It was very nicely wrapped as well.
I studied that in my day off.
Did you have a day off?
No.
No, I didn't think so.
And so now I've got all expert level on this YouTube thing.
Have you really?
Yeah.
You understand the algorithms?
Apparently you're not meant to be wearing glasses on camera, you're meant to be able to see the eyes.
That's only because you forgot your glasses, they're probably on your desk.
No, I gave you my glasses for Christmas, you can see.
No, these are my Oakleys.
Kyle, cut in.
No,
When you're wearing glasses normally, are they exact same?
I have many sets of glasses.
So either I gave you glasses for Christmas or you're trying to be more like me.
Sean got me nothing for Christmas. All he did was make me work on, I say he made me work, I wasn't actually here in Phuket. In fact, I've just realised this whole video is going to be a bit weird because I left Phuket on the 12th of December. Yes. And I'm not back until the 4th of January. So when did we record this?
Just a heads up, we recorded this way before Christmas.
Absolutely. Happy New Year, everyone. Was it a great night?
Because Jay had to go to the UK to see his mum.
That's right. Singing Old Lang Syne and all that.
Yeah.
Do you do that in Australia? Sing Old Lang Syne?
Yeah, we do.
Okay, just checking.
Yeah. Okay, so this is it. This is New Year. It's New Year's resolutions. It's time for you to get fit, give up alcohol, give up coffee, give up chocolate. All these amazing things.
Can I just say, that sounds like a shit New Year.
All these amazing things that you're going to do just for 1 or 2 days and then get back to doing normal.
Absolutely.
If you have a New Year's resolution you want to keep, I think that should be going to 5 Star Marine Tour in 2024.
Good job, Sean. I love the way you segued that right in there. Where would you go, Sean?
That book you got me, Jay. That's amazing.
The YouTube book.
Actually, let's do serious. New Year's resolution 2024 is in 2023, you and I were going to do a marathon. And unfortunately, I got an operation that ended me in hospital.
I was there. I turned up for the marathon.
But you didn't do it.
Whew. It's hard work, this run, isn't it? He's done it. Well, I was a bit late.
So the 2024 New Year's resolution from Sean and Jay is to run a half marathon.
I'm not sure I agree with that.
Yeah, we should do it.
Okay, well, you keep saying we should do it.
We're doing it.
Last time we went to do it, you went, I got a sore leg, I'm going to have some morphine for a week.
We're going to do the Laguna half marathon this year together, aren't we, Jay?
I'm giving up smoking. I don't even smoke and I'm giving up smoking. How about that? That's a good one.
If you have any New Year's resolutions that you would like Jay to do, which maybe give up Dr. Pepper. I would really like to give up Dr. Pepper.
Don't give up Dr. Pepper.
You can comment below here. This video actually was all about just saying Happy New Year to you all.
Oh, was it really?
Thank you for all of your help in 2023.
Sean wanted to do it in a short of 30 seconds. I said, no, Sean, put some more effort in. So we've done about 5 minutes, I think.
But on top of that, we wanted to also say to you, we're looking forward to having you on board in 2024 because we do have some new tours coming out.
Oh, that's exciting news.
In 2023, we launched our bioluminescence tour, and I think you were just talking to Guide Alex, and Guide Alex said to you that he has 5 bioluminescence out today.
Yeah, not 5 people, that's 5 boats of bioluminescence going out.
It's actually one of our most popular tours now. On top of that, we also did the Summit Nangshi tour, which you've been on.
I like that one. You go up and look at Phang Nga Bay. So when you fly into Phuket, you see the beautiful Phang Nga Bay. You can actually do it if you're not in a window seat when you're flying. Come on our tour and you get that view.
And so this year we actually have a few more tours that we're launching, new tours to 5 Star Marine, things that we have never offered before.
Is there a coffee tour?
No.
What, a food? I still think a food tour would work.
Yeah, we've got to get that Mark guy from YouTube to come down and do a food tour.
Oh, here we go. Other YouTubers are so damn good. I'm not saying anything. I'm going to
say, you're a bit negative today. You okay?
I'm not. It's New Year. I'm tired. It was late night last night.
Yeah, I can see that's why you got my glasses on.
They are my glasses.
No, not really.
Anyway, just wrap it up, yeah?
Anyway, we're looking forward to having you on board in 2024. We have some great videos, content, and tours planned for this coming year. Jay, being the creative marketing director, has an entire plan.
Whoa, when did I become marketing director?
Creative marketing director.
I don't want to
has it all planned out for you for 2024. So over to Jay about what to expect in 2024.
Are you walking out? Seriously? Happy 2024. We've got loads of stuff coming up. We're going to do a load more food videos. We've also got some more tour videos. And I'm going to go and do some more snorkeling with sharks. Bottom line, Happy New Year. Hope you had a good one. Stay safe. Stay amazing. If you want to book a tour, please book a 5-star Marine tour. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe. Bye!